Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm a Woodland Direct NFI certified expert, and today we're going to unbox the Superior VRL4543 Vent-Free Fireplace. So the first step in unboxing our fireplace will be to give a visual inspection. You'll notice ours is covered in cardboard. Yours may be covered in cardboard, it might not. Either way, it's no cause for alarm. But what we're looking for is any kind of damage. Whether somebody ran a forklift through it or there are large dents, please make note of that for future use. So once we finish with our visual inspection, I need you to record the serial number. That serial number will be located in the top right-hand corner on this white tag. In case there's a warranty issue, that serial number will be needed. So now with our serial number recorded, remove the cardboard. So in order to remove the fireplace from the pallet, we need to remove two screws, one on this side and one on this side. Those screws are there to hold my fireplace to the pallet for safe transit. Now with our fireplace unsecured from the pallet, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I would suggest assistance as these are quite heavy. So the first thing I want to take note of is this box of components, which we'll talk about here in a minute. The second thing I want to notice is this hood wrapped in this bubble wrap. The last thing we'll notice is my cement board behind the fireplace. Now the cement board is designed to be installed on top of the fireplace to make sure our clearances to combustibles are in check above. So first component we're going to unbox will be the cement board found behind the fireplace. Now this cement board is designed to keep clearances to combustible material in check. You're going to install this above and on the sides of the fireplace. Our second component to unbox will be the hood. The hood is designed to be installed on top of the opening, and it is used to divert the heat from right above the fireplace to a little bit out in the living space. Lastly, we have the box. Inside the box, you will find your remote control, the installation manual, and the glass media. If you ordered any extra accessories, please take the time to locate those now. If any of these components are missing, please give us a call right away. So our final step for the unboxing will be to locate our identification tags. Those can be found underneath our burner. To get access to them, you're simply going to remove our access panel and pull them out. The identification tag is going to be zip tied to the flexible gas line. What I want you to notice is it's got the model number, it's got the serial number, it's got your BTU output, it's got your type of gas, all the information that's relevant for your fireplace. Please do not remove this. Please record your serial number in your installation manual. This is everything that you need to know for unboxing your Superior VRL4543 Fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.